What is the procedure for getting dental crowns? Dental crowns are prosthetics used to cover the decayed or damaged teeth in order to repair their form in size, strength, and overall appearance. They're custom made to fit every patient's mouth precisely, and they are fixed covering the visible area that is the dental tooth. Then, what's the procedure to get dental crowns? In this short video, we'll discuss how to get dental crowns and the things can you expect from the procedure. Step 1. Consultation and evaluation. The first step towards getting dental crowns is to set up an appointment with a dentist. At this time, your dentist will examine your dental health and assess whether you're a qualified candidate for crowns made of dental. They'll also talk about your options regarding treatment and will answer any questions you be asking. Step 2. Tooth preparation. After you've made the decision to proceed with dental crowns, your next step is preparation of your tooth. This involves the removal of some of the enamel to allow for the crown. Your dentist will anesthetize the region with local anesthetic so that you feel comfortable throughout the procedure. When the tooth is ready, after which your dentist will collect impressions of your teeth to design a mold for the dental crown. The impressions will then be delivered to a dental lab in which your customized crown will be created. Step 3. Temporary crown placement. In the meantime, while you patiently wait for the permanent tooth crown created, your dentist will then place the temporary crown on your ready tooth in order to shield the tooth. The temporary crown will typically be comprised of acrylic. It can be removed after your permanent crown has been made. It is crucial to pay attention to the crown you have received and to avoid eating hard or sticky foods that can result in it becoming off. Your dentist will provide with directions on how you can maintain your temporary crown until the permanent crown is complete. Step 4. Permanent crown placement. After your custom-made crown is finished, then you'll return at your dentist's appointment to get it fitted. The dentist will then remove the temporary crown and scrub the teeth before putting the permanent crown to your tooth. They'll ensure that the crown fits correctly and that your bite feels relaxed before fixing it into its place. When the crown has been fitted, after the crown is placed, your dentist will give you with instructions on how to care for it and set up another appointment to review the alignment and fitting of your crown. When properly maintained and cared for, the dental crowns will endure for years and will help to bring back your smile. As a result, receiving dental crowns can be a straightforward and reliable way to fix the condition of your teeth that are decaying or damaged, as well as improve the health of your mouth. Following the instructions in this short video and in conjunction with your dentist, you'll be able to have a healthier, gorgeous smile that you'll be proud to show off. If you're thinking about dental crowns, set up an appointment with your dentist so that you can learn more about options and to determine if they're the right choice for you.